So this is a train ticket from Train Italia, and you could see my departure is from Cefalu, and my destination is Palermo. There's a date, one adult, second class, which is economy. Um, they do have some first class train tickets depending on the train, but you will treat it like a zero class peasant for the most part from Train Italia. The service is absolutely horrible. They give you this information which is useless, 67 kilometers, blah, who cares? I mean, just be grateful if the train actually shows up. Um, there's a price down below, and this is the important part. You have to validate these tickets. So there's always going to be a little machine, and the little electronic machine, and you feed your ticket into the machine, just like this, and it stamps it right there. Some people have reported that sometimes these machines are broken, and you could write down your departure date down here with a pen or something. Pretty damn ghetto for a first world country, but whatever. I've never had that issue. All the kiosks have always worked. Mind you, I did forget or didn't know at the time that I do have to validate these. So you do have to validate them 4 hours before your departure. If you do not and you're caught without a validated train ticket, I believe the fine is around 50 euros. You could buy these train tickets. You could buy them at any train station, either at a self-serve kiosk or in person at the ticket counter. And Train Italia, you could also purchase them ahead of time and print it out if you want. If you do have a chance, if you're doing a return trip and you're not sure about your schedule, I'd go there ahead of time and purchase an open ticket, which is what this is. This one here, I purchased the day before my departure, and it's an open ticket in a way where I could take any train at any time. So I wasn't sure how much time I'd spend in Cefalu, so I ended up doing everything I wanted to do and leaving a little early. Well, what would have been early if the goddamn thing showed up on time. But when you buy in person ahead of time, you could have an open ticket where you could depart and leave at your own discretion. So that's the train ticket. Slide that under here. I don't smoke, but everybody in Italy does. I shouldn't really touch that. That's disgusting. And this here is the bus ticket. This one's the $3.50 or €3.50 bus ticket. You could purchase this at any, almost any tobacco store. They call it tabacci. So any one of these convenience stores that say tabacci on it, or at the kiosks, you could purchase them. You do not pay the driver directly, and when you enter the bus, you insert this into this validator, and it'll validate the back here. As you can see, again, if you're in possession of a non-validated bus ticket, it's around a $50 or €50 fine. They usually do check. They've never asked me, but it's best to. I mean, for a few euros, I mean, pay the damn bus fare, and be sure to validate it. And these are easy to get. I believe at least the single use is 90 minutes, or a single ticket is 90 minutes, and it's €1.40. This is a day pass, €3.50. I recommend using these.